that's wrong. Let's see the pros do that. Okay, for obvious reasons, I'm gonna do some jobs on the top side of the truck today. If you watched last video, we got it running. The next is to get it driving, and this 3-on-the-tree transmission doesn't shift. So you want to use some diet soda to clean it off with. More for you to see what we're doing. Go to the kitchen. Grab your scrubby. I don't know if that master cylinder's leaking on there or someone just has poor aim. Now there's some good videos about adjusting these already out. So if you don't like mine, I'm sure you'll complain about it, but go check out some other videos. What are we looking at? We back this off, or no, we removed this. It was pretty loose. Probably didn't help. And then just back this one off. I hear my focus, autofocus going crazy. Oh yeah. I'm going to switch you to Manuel. How's that? Better? It's quiet. You're focused here, so you're not focused here, but probably best if you're focused there. I think we slide this collar down. Or maybe not. For the 5 of you that still own a transmission like this, there's a bolt underneath that you probably don't want to drop. I'm going in. Hope you can see more than just my fat head. Now the collar easily moves away without any hammering or fighting or cursing. We can get that in the edit, right? You need a little something screwdriver deal. Way too big. You're lining these up. They don't look too bad, actually. I think they just need to be closer together. Sure. Oh, we'll make sure we're in neutral. Yay, what did I drop? Let me know. Oh, the one wrench I needed. It's not like it's snowy under there. Well, it'll show up in spring. Yeah, that is... Whoa. Less lined up. Yeah. Let's make sure we're still in neutral. Maybe I'll go with that. Like there's no, of course there's no position on the column. But if you look, like you loosen these off and adjust, and you look like this one's at the end of its thing, right? I think that should be way lower. So let's rectify that. Oh, that first one was 3/8. Oh, there goes another. 9/16. Where's that hammer? Line these beauties up. Snug these down, both, just in case. Now this collar pushes against these and pushes these together. And it's kind of like a cam system or ramp system. Why did I remove this? I'm asking. No one. Oh, hello, gorgeous. Ooh. Ooh. This is where your selfie cam comes in to play, and you can line up things. Okay. So I turned or twisted this, I don't know, as far as I could get. Someone said that'll help. And then tighten her all up. I can't see a thing, but tell me how it shifts. Feels not bad, but we're not driving. Let's go for a little drive. Safety first. Come on, baby. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. That's not good. Oh boy. Great success. Someone behind me. Okay, let's try this again. shifting. First might not be synchronized. Just a little cold. Perfect. Woohoo! Tower of power. Not sure she's connected. Pulling out onto the main. Come on. Four minutes to go around the block. Okay, full disclosure, I did end up adjusting this again. We're in first, so it's not lined up. And yeah, tighten this up, but not too tight. You can see I'm right at the end of adjustment here. So that bar is probably bent. It's working for now. If it gets worse, we'll have to straighten it out. Or there may be adjustment down at the other end on the transmission side. But they do line up, and I squeeze these closer together, like kind of forcibly. But again, not too close. So that's it. Shifting well. One thing fixed.